Welcome back, Smart RVers, to another Fast Tip Friday. I'm Eric Stark, the host of the Smart RVer podcast, and today we're going to be talking about the Solera Soft Connect that's on their slide-out awnings with a flexible metal weather shield. Now, this Soft Connect, it's connected to the aluminum cover, which I'll show you in just a moment, but this is going to rot over time, and it's going to have to be replaced. And so it's inevitable that you're going to be buying one of these sooner or later if you have a Solera slide-out awning with a flexible metal weather shield. And it is a do-it-yourself project. This isn't a complex thing. One person or two persons can do this. You can do it at home. It's simple to do. So it's definitely a do-it-yourself project. So what is a Solera slide-out awning soft connector or soft connection? It's the vinyl section that connects the metal cover to the side of the RV. So here's the awning rail. The soft connector would slide into the awning rail. You have the vinyl portion here, and here's the metal cover. So this is on a Solera awning. So it's pretty simple. The awning rail, the soft connect, and then the metal cover. So this is usually 3 1/4 inches wide for the Solera awnings. There's different sizes for different awnings, but this is for the Solera awning, 3 1/4 inches wide by whatever length it needs to be. So 6 feet, 10 feet, get the picture, pretty simple. It's available in black or white. Now, do you have to replace the metal cover, the flexible metal cover, if your soft connect fails? So if your soft connect fails like this one did that we have taped together here, if you call up Solera or Lippert Components who own Solera, they're going to want to sell you the whole thing. They want to sell you the metal cover and the soft connection, not the awning rail, but just the soft connection and the metal cover. It may or may not come with a fabric. We're uncertain. We couldn't get clarity on that of all the different times we called Solera trying to find out the combinations here. But we do know that it's ridiculous that they don't sell it separately, because we have it right here separately. This is actually out of a Solera awning. It slides right out. So it's not a big deal to just replace the soft connect. Why they want to sell the aluminum cover with it, we do not know. But it's very expensive. A 90-inch metal cover with the soft connect is about $500 from Lippert. No, I take that back. It's about $500 with shipping, because they have to ship it on a truck and it gets expensive. And that's ridiculous. You know, that's almost the price of a complete slide-out awning, depending on the size. So it makes much more sense to buy one of these rather than to buy all of that. So how is it made? Well, it is precision made with a cutting table that cuts it square every time. It's not made by hand. The poly cords are welded in. You can see the welds right here. Here's one of the poly cords sticking out. The other one's just cut right off flush. So you can see it right there. So these aren't going to rot away because there's no thread. Thread has a tendency of just rotting away or falling apart, and then you're back to the drawing board one more time. So the premium soft connection that Sunpro Manufacturing sells is made from high quality vinyl that's going to last for many, many years to come. What do you need to know to order one? These are real simple. The only thing is, do not guess at the measurements. So you want to measure the width of it just to verify what you have. Maybe there's an oddball size out there, or you have something that's different, but it should be 3 1/4 inches from side to side. And now the length, we make them in a couple different sizes. So just give us the length and we'll tell you what size range it's going to fall in. Pretty simple. So Sunpro Manufacturing makes that simple for you. Then you just cut it to the size you need. This will replace a Solera soft connection for the Solera slide-out awning with the flexible metal weather shield. So for more information on this, go to the description below and click on the link for Sunpro Manufacturing. It'll take you right to the Solera soft connection details page. You can see a little more information about it. It's pretty straightforward. So I want to thank you all for stopping by today. So please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.